Alright, we're going to make the notepad now. So click the A button, click open. Open the drawing. Now we want to locate our template file, so go to computer. Alright, you may need to go to your documents, 8 laser modeling, and open up the year 8 template. Notice how it's blank. Now we're going to save it again, save as. We're going to call it Notepad your name, so enter your name there. Okay, let's take a look on our drawing. So the first thing we need to do is put in a rectangle 230 long and 120 wide. So we're going to start with the 0 layer. We're going to start with a line. We're going to go over 230. Okay, it's green. We don't want that to happen, so let's delete that. Let's change that back to by layer. There you go. 230 by 120 by 230, and click to connect. Then hit enter. Okay, the next task that we want to do is draw these blue lines, which are our bend lines. So let's start at the left side. It's 10 and then 20. So we're going to use this tool here called offset. Once you click it, at the bottom it says the distance. Click in the box and type in the first distance. Let's check. So we need 10. 10, enter. Select the left side, move in, and click again. Notice if I move to the left or right, I can pick what side it goes into. Okay, hit enter to finish. Let's do this again. Offset, pick the distance of 20, enter, pick the line we want to copy, and move to the left or right, and then click again. Hit enter to finish. Let's repeat again. On this side, we want to go 10 and 15. Offset, distance of 10, click, click again, offset, distance of 15, click, click again, then hit enter. Our next task is we want to curve the lines. Well, actually, let's not do that yet. Let's first make the inside piece. So this is the inside piece. So we need to go over a distance of 80 along the bottom and up a distance of 50 to get to this point. So I'm going to draw a new line. I'm going to start here. I'm going to go over a distance of 80, enter, and now my mouse is at the right spot, so I can go up a distance of 50. Okay, now I'm going to go over a distance of 75 and up a distance of 20. So 75, go up 20, over 75, and back down. Now I can click to delete that line, and click this line and delete that line. Alright, let's curve the corners next. So that's going to be using the fillet tool. So the fillet tool is located here. You'll see fillet that curves corners. At the bottom, you need to specify the curve. So we click on radius and then type in a distance of 10 and hit enter. Now you have a square mouse. You can click the first line and the second line, and that curves the corner. So let's try again. Fillet, radius, 10, enter, click, click. Alright, we're going to repeat again. This time it remembers what you've done, so you can just keep clicking. Fillet. Okay, next task. Now I need to curve these corners. Those are a fillet of 5. Fillet, radius, 5, enter. Pick each line. Alright. Now we're going to add holes, the diameter of 4.7. Now they need to go in and up. So in 7.5, up 7.5. So we're going to start with our line tool. Start here, go in 7.5, go up 7.5, and hit enter. Okay, we're going to do the same from the other side. Over 7.5, up 7.5. Okay, then we can use circle. We want the diameter. 4.7 and hit enter. Okay, let's do that again. Click that. 4.7, enter. Okay, we can delete out our lines. Alright, your next task now. Now what we need to do is add more circles here. So you're going to go over 52 and up 30. Line. Okay, this one's tricky. We don't have any corner. So what we can do instead, we can start in the middle. So we can go over 52 and then halfway up and halfway down. So the distance is 60. So that's 30 up, 30 down. Okay, to find the middle of something, which is the triangle, you need to click on the drop down arrow next to snaps and select midpoint. Make sure it's checked. Now if this is not blue, click once to turn it back blue. So it must be blue. Now click on the line, go over 52, hit enter, go up 30, enter, down 30, hit enter, delete this line out. Next we'll add in 2 circles, 4.7, enter, 4.7, enter. I'm going to delete that line out. Alright, you've just made the part. Now we need to change these line types. So click each line and change the layer. We want these ones as hidden detail. Okay, and then hit escape on your keyboard. The next task, we want to add little center lines for these. So go to annotate at the top. Actually first, let's change our thing to center lines. Now go to annotate, drop down this little box here, and there's your center mark. Click center mark, click on each circle. Notice it's too big. We're going to delete that or undo it. And let's change the size of the dimensions. So we need to type in dim scale at the bottom and hit enter. Type in 1 and hit enter. Now you can go and select the circle marks and it comes in the right size. Alright, we are almost done. Now, the last thing that we need to do is add our name. So we're going to switch our layer back to 0. We're going to use text, and let's use single line text. It says pick the start point. So we'll start here, pick a height. So we're going to type in, we're going to move our mouse up, is how high we want our text. Click. Then move your mouse sideways, so we're going to the right, and click again. Now I can type in my name. If it doesn't work the first time, just hit escape and undo it and try again. So once that's done, click outside and then click escape on your keyboard. And that is it. You've just completed your Notepad. The next tutorial will show you how to add dimensions. So let's save our Notepad, and now you're done.